Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today really I'm just taking my friend's stage 3 Fiesta ST out because, as many of you know, I do want to take my car to stage 3. I want to go with 300 horsepower, so I just want to get a feel of it really. Yeah, he's gonna let me take it out, so I'm quite excited to see what it's like. And then, so it's only a quick video of me just experiencing it. Yeah. And then I've got the CE UK giveaway. So I have took my halos off my car because I basically just want to upgrade them. They're in perfect condition, they're working amazing. I don't want to sell them because obviously they've been in my car now over a year. They're working perfectly, but I did try them before I took them off my car. So yeah, it's just a little giveaway really, just to give you a massive thank you back. Obviously they're in used condition. But yeah, so thank you. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you like the video, fair enough. If you hate it, then fair enough, whichever. So yeah, like I said, it's just a brief few minutes of me driving my friend's car. And yeah, seeing. Quite excited. So I'm going to go meet him now. We'll see. So yeah guys, as I was saying before, I'm in a stage 3 VT330R Fiesta right now. It's quite highly modified, so I'm basically just going to do this for the reaction video, and I kind of want to see what it's like compared to mine. And mine's a stage 2 by Puma Speed, and it's got not many upgrades. So yeah, mine's 240 and this is 327. So I want to see what the big difference is and if there's actually much of a jump. So yeah, I'm quite excited. Yeah, I'm winding up my jump in case the wind. Right. Right, so I'm on the bypass and there's no cars. I don't want to fall, but it's sick. I'm not, I know. I don't actually want to give it full. Oh my god.
Going back round.
I can feel it.
Yeah, I'm going to say, cause you're only doing 1 bar boost, there's still another 0.7. Still got a fair bit to go there. Yeah, you're only running a straight line.
Oh my god, I love it. It's just instant though, like mine takes a little bit.
Yeah.
And yours is more instant.
Get yourself down to 18, get them to map it for you.
I know. I'm going to link the dyno in guys as well for you.
Smith is behind.
I'll wait till I've got on the straight bit. I'm going to like just think.
Flooring, change gear, just fucking.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
It's alright, go for it.
Oh my. He approaches cars too quickly.
Yeah, well, that's it, innit?
Bad influence. No, I don't want to do it in case I crash. So guys, as you can tell, I did like driving my friend's car. I don't know what to do, I don't know, but I do think it will be seeing more power very soon. I enjoyed it, I did enjoy it, so I just hope, I don't know, I really need it. I need it in my life. I need stage 3. I need more power, I need it, so maybe, okay. So yes, giveaway time. So like I said before, just subscribe and comment anything you want. And any comments, everyone will be put into a draw. Should I do like an app thing? and you can win my lovely halos. So obviously, like I said before, they are in used condition, but they should still work. They worked on my car. I tried them before I took them off, and they worked perfectly fine. So no problem, they should have no problems whatsoever. They're also okay. So yeah, so subscribe and like and well, comment, whatever you want to do, dislike, whatever. And yeah, I'll choose a winner in my next video, so keep an eye out for that. Yeah, so again guys, thanks for viewing the video. So like I said before, all my lights on my car are by Auto Beam, so don't forget to use their code. So that fares Gal free postage on small items. And my favourite glasses ever, Future Wear. So yeah, just make sure you have a look at them. I'll also leave the code below. So yeah, so thanks again guys.